Welcome to the Postgraduate Certification in CMC Documentation and AI in Regulatory Affairs by Royd Training. This program is designed for professionals who want to build a strong, future-ready understanding of chemistry, manufacturing, and controls documentation alongside artificial intelligence-enabled regulatory workflows. The regulatory world is changing quickly. Today's professionals need to understand not only how to prepare a technically sound dossier, but also how to use digital tools responsibly to make submissions faster, clearer, and more consistent. This course brings these two capabilities together into one powerful learning journey. Global submissions have evolved from paper-based files to common technical document formats, then electronic CTD systems, and now AI-automated ECTD version 4.0 workflows. Each stage has improved structure, speed, traceability, and submission management. The next step is intelligent regulatory execution. Artificial intelligence can support structured content, document review, data validation, lifecycle management, and regulatory intelligence. Understanding this evolution helps professionals prepare not only for today's submission needs, but also for the future of global regulatory operations. CMC documentation and artificial intelligence may appear to be separate disciplines, but modern regulatory work requires them to work together. Traditional regulatory mastery includes dossier authoring, quality systems, Module 3 documentation, and lifecycle management. Artificial intelligence adds new capabilities such as natural language processing, large language models, automated data extraction, predictive modeling, and intelligent review. Neither skill is enough on its own. The future-ready professional combines rigorous pharmaceutical documentation with the intelligent use of digital tools. A modern regulatory workflow combines traditional regulatory intelligence with AI models. Regulatory knowledge provides the framework: global requirements, clinical and technical understanding, bioequivalence, considerations, and correct submission pathways. Artificial intelligence adds agentic automation, data querying, semantic search, and improved document processing. When these capabilities are connected properly, teams can create faster, more accurate, and more controlled ECTD submissions. The objective is not speed alone. It is speed supported by quality, consistency, and compliance. The program follows a structured progression from foundational discovery to digital transformation. It begins with drug development, NDA, BLA, and basic submission knowledge. It then moves into global CMC documentation, including QoS, Module 3, quality overall summaries, and ECTD submissions. The next stage focuses on post-approval lifecycle management, including variations, regulatory intelligence, and business development. Finally, learners explore AI and digital transformation through technologies such as natural language processing, artificial intelligence tools, and ECTD version 4.0. This creates a complete pathway for career-ready regulatory capability. The first pillar focuses on documentation mastery. You will learn how to author quality content for Module 3, including drug substance, drug product, manufacturing information, validation, and quality data for small molecules, biologics, and biosimilars. The pillar also covers global regulatory intelligence across authorities such as the United States FDA, European Union EMA, India CDSCO, and other key markets. Finally, it addresses post-approval lifecycle management, helping learners understand how to manage variations, renewals, and compliance requirements after a product is approved. The second pillar introduces the role of automation in CMC documentation. It begins with the structure of Module 3, including the quality overall summary, drug substance, drug product, excipients, and manufacturing controls. This helps learners see exactly where automation can support structured authoring. You will also explore user chat interfaces, cross-reference stability data, and processing smart scans for content comparison. The module introduces ECTD version 4.0, XML hierarchy, intelligent document processing, automated data extraction, and AI governance. The focus remains on creating efficient workflows without losing scientific and regulatory control. Artificial intelligence should strengthen the regulatory professional, not replace them. Regulatory Affairs 4.0 is built on the human-in-the-loop model, where AI assists with drafting, extraction, comparison, and review, while experienced professionals provide critical judgment. In this workflow, the regulatory writer remains responsible for compliance oversight, contextual understanding, and bias checking. The final submission gateway remains firmly under human accountability. This approach combines the speed of AI with the professional responsibility needed to protect patient safety and regulatory quality. Different professionals experience the digital shift in different ways. Regulatory professionals may feel burdened by manual dossier formats and version control challenges. CMC writers may spend large amounts of time drafting and reformatting content. Quality and compliance managers may face reactive risk management and data integrity audits. The program helps learners move toward a more capable future. It supports strategic submission architects, AI-assisted authors, and proactive compliance leaders who can use predictive risk modeling and automated signal detection. It is a pathway from manual effort to more intelligent, strategic regulatory contribution. The Advanced Certification in Regulatory CMC Documentation is ideal for learners who need focused, practical training in Module 3, Quality Overall Summary Preparation, and essential ECTD authoring. It is a strong option for those seeking targeted upskilling in traditional CMC work. The PG certification in CMC Documentation and AI in Regulatory Affairs is designed for professionals who want a more complete, future-oriented pathway. It combines CMC documentation with AI tools, regulatory intelligence, ECTD version 4.0, and digital lifecycle management. It is ideal for learners preparing for more advanced global regulatory roles. The learning ecosystem is designed around the realities of professional life. It offers fully online, self-paced access, allowing learners to study at a time that works for them while continuing their current job or academic commitments. The program also includes simulation-based learning, global competency perspectives, and validation through capstone assessment. Learners engage with real-world cases, mock regulatory scenarios, and AI model simulations. The result is a flexible but rigorous experience that helps professionals build usable skills, not just theoretical awareness. Royd Training is committed to developing advanced, industry-relevant capability for life sciences professionals. The focus is on translating complex knowledge into practical, applicable learning that supports real career growth. The organization has received recognition through the Economic Times Repharma Awards for excellence in training and development. It has also been recognized among leading promising corporate online training providers. These achievements reflect Royd Training's continued commitment to strengthening pharmaceutical and regulatory competencies globally. This is your opportunity to strengthen your expertise in CMC documentation and AI in regulatory affairs through the PG certification program. The course offers 1-year self-paced access and is designed for graduates from any discipline, including final-year students. If you are ready to move from traditional regulatory documentation toward a more digitally capable and future-ready role, enroll today through www.royd.in. Build the confidence to author, review, manage, and transform regulatory content in the evolving life sciences industry.